you ain't subscribed, what is you doing? Turn me up. Oh yeah, we back. Like we ain't left. Who would have thought we'll be getting rain right now in Houston at 12 o'clock? But I love it. We ain't had no rain in a minute. You ready? It done cleared up, y'all, so right now I'm outside just feeding the bulls, and this is Dior and Medusa. Like mother, like daughter. Medusa. Medusa. Damn. We got us a shitter, y'all. Medusa. Medusa. What you doing? Diesel Toro, everybody. That boy right now is open for studs, so if you're looking for a stud for one of your bullies, he is open. Go ahead and hit me up right now at Top Notch Toro TNT. That boy is registered and has his papers under ABKC and USBR registry. So hit me up. Let me know if you're interested. Gun. Right here, gun. Hey, little boy. Hey, my little boy. What's that? What's that? What's that, gun? Go get it. Gun. Go get it. What are you doing? Cut it out. Cut it out. Ugly dude.
Oh.
You'll be like, why this nigga holding her stomach?
She hiding it. Looking at us. No.
That's funny.
You crazy ass.
We're in our black and orange today, you feel me?
You're on that
No, this ain't orange, it's peace, so P, gotta keep the carbon in my reed. Pick the calamari on my teeth, baby.
Oh, the hardest part. What's up, TNT family? Did y'all miss us?
We ain't even fucking posting on YouTube in a minute.
I know we've been MIA, but we haven't been MIA. If you follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, we've been active, but we just haven't been active on YouTube. It's just so hard to stay consistent on all platforms when you have a job, on top of that dogs, on top of recording, on top of editing. That shit is hard.
Yourself. We need an editor. So if you're out there and you're looking to make some money videoing or being an editor, hit us up. You can hit us up on any platform at Top Notch Turo TNT. DM us, whatever, email, all the same.
No, for real.
But right now,
We are at Kohl's. I'm about to drop off this Amazon package because it's a, what is it called, babe? I don't know what it's called. Es para colgar la ropa.
it's basically like a stand that you could put stuff on.
Clothes. Like hang clothes up. And honestly, I don't want to put it together, so I'm returning it.
She likes it.
Yeah, because I just rather buy it already made. So I'm gonna return it, and I think I have a different idea. So not going with this one no more. So come with us to Coast, and then we're gonna see what we do for the rest of the day, because we do have today off. It is Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day, y'all.
Happy Labor Day, y'all.
Whatever Labor Day.
I know. I'm not educated. I was gonna say that, but I don't know. I'm sorry.
Going to Coast. So we're going to Coast.
Yep. We coming.
Oh shit. I'm about to get hit.
Exaggerated. No, my parents.
What you saying?
Nothing.
Tell me.
Take me on camera.
Tell me. This for the YouTube.
Why?
Tell them about the TikTokers your ass be watching.
Nothing. I can't wait to decorate though, y'all.
She don't want to tell y'all.
I'm gonna get canceled. You wanna talk about
We returning all her shit, y'all. You take you to calls and you tell them something was wrong with it when you really just didn't want to put it together. Bye. Whoa. You recording?
Y'all seen the hero? He be acting all hard and shit. He ain't that hard. He's so cute.
Now she got us at 5 and Below, her favorite store.
Yeah, guys, if you like Hello Kitty stuff, they have a lot of Hello Kitty stuff, but this one I'm gonna tell you the location.
And I, oh,
Oh, you had to say all that.
Just kidding. It's gonna be more of a good look finding it. Oh my god.
Oh, your brother.
Not really. Kind of, but not really. Kind of, sort of.
She said that's not real Hello Kitty, yo. This is her favorite section.
Makeup everywhere. I love every area. I don't discriminate. Yes. Look at this. Hot Cheeto brush set. I should get it, huh? Yo, I tell you, this is where I go crazy. I get my inner child just, no.
So, my mama's birthday passed, y'all, and I'm about to get her some shoes instead because the gift that I originally got her, it never came, bro. They bullshitting us. So, getting her some shoes, you feel me, some fresh kicks. So, she'll get this before this video is posted, so I ain't even tripping. I'm gonna just get her some Forces, you feel me, because I feel like Forces is the most comfortable shoe. Like, out of all the shoes, you can't go wrong with Forces, bro. And then the ones I picked, what Cecilia picked, and I agree. These right here. These clean, no? Y'all tell me if this a cop or drop. My mom about to get these. No, she got us here.
I just be with my day off. I get to see, ooh, I like this shit like that.
But yeah, they shirts are hard. $24, $25.
Buy one, get one half off. So it's 25 and 30.
They just been spinning today. So now
we at Target.
Cecilia taking me to every store in the world today.
Hey, you gotta take advantage.
She was like, I'm not off often. But look. She better be lucky all these places was close to each other. If you know me, or if you've been watching, I don't like driving in Houston. Houston drivers are the worst.
I like being a passenger.
Yeah. Nah. Driving in Houston is ass. Girl. We really only came here to get a pasta, you feel me? Because they be having a chicken Alfredo pasta in the front, you feel me? From Pizza Hut. Bussin'. We gonna show y'all because we gonna eat that shit in the truck because I'm hungry. And supposedly I'm on a diet, you feel me? The diet starts Monday. Told y'all. Alright, y'all, so remember I told y'all we got the pasta from Target. Ooh. They be hooking it up, bro.
Like that whole spilled. She hooked that bitch up. Damn.
Yeah.
It's fast food. But I stuck it on my tongue. Need more seasoning, right?
Yeah,
But still 10.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't like seasoning. So good.
I'm just here thinking quietly.
Yeah, it's good. I'm already getting full. I'm like, yo, I ain't even touch nothing. I know, bro. I eat so fast, so I get full fast as hell. No cap. And then these bitches parked on the side of me. Like I'm supposed to move.
Now we are going to my mama's house to drop off her gift.
Hell yeah. So hopefully she likes it. She likes the shoes, cause ain't no takebacks. We out. Yeah. Bring it up, Rondo. Fuck y'all niggas, you feel me? And if you ain't liking my post, or if you don't follow Top Notch Toro TNT, it's really fuck you. Straight like that. I don't really give a fuck. And y'all can unfollow me off of this post right here, because I'm probably gonna post this shit on God. Gang, gang, gang. Here to drop off the motherfucking merchandise in front of my new whip.
Oh, why are you cute? Oh, yeah. These are like...
It's still en route.
Like that.
Just a little bit. It's okay.
This Camille, you don't care about a thing except your motherfucking self.
Hey, yo, is that mezcla too? Yeah, bitch, I'm grooving on them, going stupid on them. I be pooping on them.
All right, y'all, we made it home, home sweet home, made it through the storm.
Not for real. It's storming out here.
Not for real. I got Cecilia doing all the work because
Yeah, you guys.
she wanted all the shit.
It's not all mine. It was mostly yours.
You don't love me. Why you gotta tell them that?
This is all
Damn, bro.
his,
See how
y'all.
she played me, bro?
You see, this is more, bro. I'm very sure she gave it to me. She was a pretty girl. She gave me the hat. She's all like, this is the last one we have because the little thing is coming off on her back.
I was like, is there any other hats? So she was about to get this brown wooden hat.
It fit me a little bit big, but
Okay.
we gonna make it work. I need my boots.
I'm about to make Cecilia a drink. You feel me? Because she has this green slush. So you feel me? I'm about to hook that bitch up. I think that's enough. For her, you know, she be acting like she be tweaking. You feel me? Then I'm gonna add some of this green soda we had yesterday in the drink. You feel me? Pour all that in there. Fuck it. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but green apple, you feel me? And put some of that in there. Hell yeah. That shit is big. And mix that bitch on up. Damn. That hoe good as fuck. Did that. Here, babe. Here. Here. She gonna like this one better.
¿Por qué mi mom no me contesta el teléfono? Oh, damn. This is like really good. Para sus servicios, pues aquí estamos para
Taste the
ayudarnos.
drink?
Oh, taste this. Damn.
I'll do better, right?
Mm-hmm. That whole busting. I'm about to be.
Arriba, abajo, al centro.
Look, Ma, Dad, if you guys watching this video, ¿por qué no contestan el teléfono? ¿Por qué?
They don't love you. They don't love her. See, if I call my mom right now, she gonna ask
Cap. Cap. She don't love you either.
me. They're out of the phone. I swear, but I swear. They call us and we don't answer. I could have been dying. You don't know I could have been happy. Boy, if you don't get your... No, I'm gonna wear the black one. Wear the black one. We're gonna wear the black one.
Go get the black one.
Oh shit, Cowboy Dom. Cowboy Dom in the cut. Yeah. Throw it up. Catch it. Yeah, I hit that up.
No saben cómo está la cosa. Déjalo que está. Look at my cowboy, y'all. Damn! It's like a llama. It's not her.
Cowboy Domo in the house.
Damn! You look fine as fuck. Can't tell me he don't. It is a nasty thing right now.
Now Cecilia ass got us that motherfucking Katie, man. What a day.
Damn, why you
What a motherfucking day.
Why are you exposing me like this?
Now we at Katie Mills, y'all. Let's see what Cecilia's copping today. That was quick, right? We was just at home. They get on the phone. We was just at home.
Was just at home. You gotta live in the moment, y'all.
I was way to fucking Katie Mills. I
Be
didn't
on the move, like I said. You watch my TikTok, you know we on the move.
That's why I was on something. But now I look better right here.
Fit check.
Spiffy.
Come with
Yeah.
us. Come with us. Come with us. See what we find.
Hey, we back. Just made it back to the crib, y'all.
What's good, y'all?
And now I gotta feed the bullies because we fed them earlier and now it's dinner and it's kind of later than I usually feed them, but we made it back. It's still early enough. It's like 8 o'clock. So, about to feed them right now. We're gonna show y'all and let's get to that.
So, we are back in the kitchen whipping the chicken. No, I'm just kidding. We're about to feed the dogs. I made them their rice and ground beef and the kibble. So, y'all see it, fluffy white rice. And I add 2 spoons for each of them. I didn't have veggies today, and I went to the store and I forgot them. But I'm gonna have them here tomorrow morning. But 2 spoons for each. While Bae, what you doing?
1 scoop of Victor.
And y'all, today we have time to record, like we told y'all we was off today. So this is our daily routine. Usually Bae is the one doing it.
I did it this morning.
Okay?
So I did it this morning. What up?
Yeah, he's usually the one that does it. I'm usually upstairs doing my makeup or doing some videos of my makeup. Right?
Yep.
Now I'm about to add ground beef. And you just wanna add and crumble it for them to eat it good.
Used to have it done.
I think we
Hey, y'all like the back of my hoodie? It's
blinked out by me.
Oh yeah, they did the whole top-notch tour on the front.
Super cute. And I got the water right here. Here you go. I was gonna get a spoon and mix it all. Yeah, I'm just mixing their bows just so you know they could get a good stir fry. This is by yours truly, Cecilia La Divina Garza. This is their stir fry bowl, and once again, it is Victor, ground beef, some fresh, fluffy white rice. And you want the recipe, follow us for more. I will give you dog recipes. Your dogs will love it. Now, I know it could get pricey because it's pricey out here, and we got 6 dogs, but hey, limit what you like, balance. Balance is the key, guys. But they all eat good. They eat better than me. Shit, if I say so myself. ¿Verdad? Pero se mira bien rico. If I was a dog, I would be eating this shit. I ain't gonna lie, my mouth be getting watery. I'll be telling about like, hey, get us up there. I'll probably do it.
Let's go eat dog food and y'all get us to how many
Nigga pigging out. Freaking guys, I'm pigging out home. You fast food, huh? Y'all going crazy though. We got syrup. We got syrup. Don't see.
So everybody ate. Now we're gonna take them out one by one to the bathroom. And then we're gonna wrap it up for today. Because today has been a busy day. And we got work tomorrow, 6 in the morning. So I hope y'all enjoyed this YouTube. I hope y'all like, subscribe, share, follow, comment, because we still gonna keep bringing out more fucking YouTube videos. I don't even know if you're fucking down. You feel me? But yeah, Top Notch Troll TNT. We out.